Ngarang Moirang ACG Hanagi MLA P Sarat ki mayumda sakhangdaba singna blank fire tauduna Congress Party ki election campaign THUGAIKHIBAGI MAYOKTA ngasi MPCC ki President MLA ke Meghachandra na CEO Manipur da action lokhat pinaba Wakat Cherol ama Pishinkhre. Law and order ki pibam control taw haudrabadi handak pangthokadawriba Lok Sabha mikhalasi free and fair oiba ngamloi haina MPCC ki President MLA ke Meghachandra na phongdokre. Wakat Cherol Pishinkhre duga mari lainana MPCC ki President ke Meghachandra na wafam asi phongdokladuna mahakna hai. Ngarang numit yongba matung pung 3:30 rom tarakpa duwaida Congress Party ki mirep Dr. Angomcha Bimol Akoizam masa yauna party ki makok thongba single loinana kwakta da miyam gi oiba interaction program ama yauram laga Moirang ACG hanagi MLA P Sarat ki yumda pangthokadaba interaction program ama yaurunaba sem saringai manungda khanghaudana sakhangdaba mioi kharana meeting mafam aduda laktuna ahal singda kihan khanghanbaga loinana blank fire tauduna mifam adu thugaikhi. Hauzik leibaki oiriba pibam asi uraga mikhal gi thabak thoram khudingmak tangai fadaba du khaktamak tawduna lakli miyamgi sentiment yenglaga yumda changlaga khana neinabagi thoram khaktamak pangthoktuna lakpani asigumba chairak asida ngarang chathakiba ahian bathawong adude Congress na akan mamongda kantiam tawi haina mahakna makhatana phongdokhi.
Moirang da khoi candidate se khoi puraga Moirang da meeting tawgadabuda XMLA Sarat ki mayumda khoi meeting se tawgado mi sani chahum khaktang pulakpa kanda imai ben singsida ki hanba adagi nongai blank fire tawraga meeting do thugai ba haiba tare adugi khoi yamna chawo public meeting su tawde adagi mayam si Manipur gi rang sida meeting phading tawbo khopase khoi su mayamna Tauroisi haibado ikai khumnadana dum tawde khoi sumna yumda changaga interaction sakhang mai khengnabagi program ni aduda akanba nongmai kapa khotpagi thabak tawbase kihen base masi nungai taba aduna law and order se asi khoi pajana maintain tawidrabadi election si mo thadaba kigani free and fair election se laibangam aduna adugi damakta khoi complaint tawuli. Now we have our AICC in charge, Sri Girish Jodankar, and also we have our this AICC minority in charge, Sri Anil Thomasji. They are also with us to have the complaint to the CEO of Manipur.
Wakat Cherol Pisin Baduga Mari Lainana AICC ki Manipur in charge Girish Jodankar na hai democracy chatpa laibak amagi yamna maru oiba event ama oiriba mikhal asida muscle power sijinaduna voter singbu ki hannaba amadi wakhal thaidoknaba honarakpa asi yamna laibak thibane ngarang Moirang da thokiba thaudok adugi matangda Congress Party na CEO Manipur da chapjaba paudam ama piramlei mahaki maikaidagi su thaudok adugi matangda yengsilagani haina thajaba pirakhi. Hauzik lairiba election gi khongchara sida Congress Party na sungsoi soidana mai paklagani haibasi khangbadagi Congress pu nungsijaba voter singda kihan khanghanbagi thabak sing asi chatharapani haina lawi. Election Commission of India gi midyang makada pangthokadawriba Lok Sabha mikhalasi free and fair oihanba amadi voter masing yamna participate tawhanbada Congress Party na ngamjaba thakta commission gi mateng pangani adubu laibak thibade mikhalasi kanglon chumna pangthokpa ngamdanaba miyoi khuzo kharana honarakle masida miyamna mipaibiga Nuhaina Mahakna Makatana Phongdokhi.
CEO has assured us that they will take all necessary precautions that such incident will not happen, and they will do everything. I think they are doing everything very nicely. They are advertising also. They are doing a lot of publicity for encouraging the voters to come out. We have a concern that many places our candidate cannot reach out. The candidate cannot go and do the canvassing. At many places we have to do the indoor meetings because of these problems. So that also we have raised the concern that our candidate should be allowed to move each and every part of Manipur fearlessly, and what we want to convey, what is our agenda, what is our manifesto. It is our right to tell the voters that what we intend doing, and that we should get, our candidate should get the free way to go and do the canvassing. This is also one of our concern which we have raised. So we expect that the CEO now who has taken over the entire machinery in the state will do the best to do the free and fair elections in both the phases.